Oh my god. Just landed in Ho Chi Minh City's airport after a 2 hours flight from KLIA. So today what we've got planned is head into the city. We're staying at a hotel in District 1. Apparently District 1 is where all the tourists and commercial go-to locations are at. That's District 1. So if you're coming down to Ho Chi Minh City, it's always best get a place to stay at District 1. That's the team, yay! Oh my god, I tell you, the traffic, amazingly chaotic. That's the word, amazingly chaotic, but in a way beautiful. I guess, if there's a terminology like that. People kept just changing lanes, like, you know, like the lines on the road didn't mean a single thing. So everyone was just turning right, turning left, and it was such an experience, to be honest. But then again, yeah, so we got into our rooms, we checked in, but it looks like my team is a bit tired, so they decided to enjoy the bed and catch a quick nap, whilst me, being the person who likes to be a bit adventurous, decided to take a little walk and go explore the streets of Saigon. The thing now is I've got to learn how to do this crossing part. Has to be, you've got to have a little skill to do this. I think scary actually. All right. I'm actually walking aimlessly now, but the idea here is to go and explore with the little time I have before 5:30. We've made arrangements to go for street food tour. So I've got about about an hour. Why not quickly go out in the streets and let's go and do this and see whether I am successful. Yeah. All right, safe. So interesting. So anyway, I'm trying to. Oh my god. Interesting. All of a sudden, things were thrown out of the building. Anyway, as I was saying, it's quite interesting to go out and explore the streets. I'm trying to go and find for a little cafe to have a little cup of coffee. As they say, Vietnam has got a tremendous array of coffee, and they're well known for that actually. So what better way than to go and explore the streets of Ho Chi Minh City. I don't know where I'm walking right now, but let's see. Alright, let's see. The idea is to find somewhere that is maybe not commercialized in such a way that it's packed with tourists and things like that. So I want to find somewhere that is not very touristy. Sometimes it's good to be adventurous like this and just go out and walk and explore. I think it's like life, You got to go out there and do things. You make mistakes along the way, but you learn. So yeah, Ho Chi Minh is exciting. It's so busy, but at the same time mysterious. Yeah, we're really looking forward to our food tour later in the evening. I'm not very sure where they're going to take us. Hopefully the dishes that they introduce to us will basically be on our taste buds, like we would like it. Sometimes there are certain types of food that no matter how much you try, you end up not liking it. So I hope Vietnamese food is not like that. Thank you. Alright, so I think I found a coffee shop. It's like up there.
What's up? What's up?
Yeah. Wow. Alright. What are you selling?
I'm selling cigarette and do laundry.
Alright.
And SIM card. If you want my SIM card, I have SIM card.
Alright. So anyone in District 1 looking for SIM cards, right? SIM cards, right?
Yes, I have SIM card.
SIM cards as well as, what else you were saying? Laundry.
Yes.
Alright, laundry. And you go over to the hotel and pick up.
Yeah, I will come to the hotel, pick up, and the back to hotel for you.
Alright. Alright, that's awesome. Doorstep service. Alright, and where can they find you?
33 Đồng Khởi.
Alright.
You
33.
Can call me. You can call me. I have my cell phone number. You can call me and I will come to the hotel pick up.
Alright. There you go. Laundry service. Ho Chi Minh City. No worries. Thank you. See you then. Alright, so let's go and have a look at this place. Normally places like this would turn out to be good because it's not easily visible. It's like hidden and tucked away. So I think this one would work out just right. Let's see. Alright, this looks like an interesting place. See, I told you the places that are not easily visible are normally the ones that are uniquely awesome. Let's get in. I like this place.
They have crib. Yeah. So we have three carabin here and Katimor from Vietnam.
This is the famous one?
Yeah.
This
and,
one?
And this one and from Ethiopia.
Alright.
And this one from Vietnam.
Yeah, so is it like Arabica or Robusta?
Arabica.
Arabica, yeah.
We just sell 100% Arabica.
Right.
No Robusta. Yeah.
Alright.
So you can tell me which level you want? Strong, light, medium?
I think I would go medium, right? Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So I have for you Kalita wave.
Yeah.
So
Alright.
You want hot or ice?
Kalita wave, yeah?
Yeah. And filter here.
Yeah.
And then with coffee.
Yeah.
We drip water.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Sounds awesome, guys.
Yeah.
Alright, so all you coffee lovers out there, make sure if you happen to swing by Saigon, Ho Chi Minh City that is right now, come up to this place. It's called the Workshop, yeah? And what street is this actually? Sorry? Nordecare Street. Right, alright. I hope I pronounce it right. No worries, simple. We'll put a link to this location in the description below. Unique, isn't it? I didn't know that there's a styles like this to make coffee existed. Seriously, I must be living in a cave. Just a random question: how many cups in a day? In a day, how many do you make like this? Like,
About 300.
Really? You heard roughly about an average of 300. Okay. I'm in the wrong business. He's like a chef, you know. He like, yeah. Do you think so? There could be tons of you who had coffee like this around the world, and this could be something of a norm for you, but then people like me, this is like something like, it's like I found gold, you know. So it's like okay. Right, I might just end up making a 3-hour video here because I'm on coffee stir right now. You see, I didn't know all this time. I didn't know all these things. Each time everyone gave me a cup of coffee, I just put sugar, milk, and there you have it. Wrong. Mission accomplished. I'm really happy because I succeeded in randomly going out on the street in a foreign country and finding that perfect coffee shop. Great. Another quick tip is, from the lesson we learned today, is not only do you look at shops that are on the street, like on the ground floor, but you got to look up. That one there. Okay. Yeah. So don't always look straight or on the ground level. You gotta look up or down sometimes. Bye bye. always be nice to people, and in return, people will be nice to you.